I would like to present you a revolution in video advertising. 2 years ago, Teads came up with an idea for video format that will change the way you communicate, and successfully gave it birth. For the luxury industry, there is an amazing opportunity to redefine communication by reaching its targets with video in the most premium context and publisher globally. The concepts behind this video advertising format called InSuite. It's simple. The video plays between 2 paragraphs of text in the case of the in-read, between 2 slides of slideshow for the in-picture, or even on the top of homepage on premium news site. These video formats are view-to-play, meaning the advertiser video only plays while is viewed on the user screen. User have the choice to view or skip the ad, and advertiser only pay for completed video. This is a game changer in the video industry, as it is a unique win-win solution on the market for both online publisher, advertiser, and user. Teads Outstream InSuite format solve a very big issue for quality publisher, how to compete for digital video advertising. First, introduced in France in June 2 years ago, within 6 months, over 18% of quality publishers had adopted Teads format and technology, from Le Monde, Le Figaro, L'Express, and Vogue. In January last year, it was acknowledged in the French advertising trade press that Teads video format were now the standard outstream video format. This success is now being repeated internationally.
So Teads video formats provide an elegant way for publishers to run a high volume of TV advertisements on their websites, opening up a significant incremental revenue stream. Until Teads outstream video formats became available, the default solution for them was to create editorial videos and run pre-roll advertisements against them. Unfortunately, this just doesn't scale and is more likely to irritate readers. So digital video advertising is growing extremely fast, over 100% last year, with a high proportion of this growth being funded by TV budgets. There is also an unset demand for the kind of premium video inventory that quality publishers provide. Meanwhile, growth in digital display budgets is stalling thanks to the rise of social media. So nowadays, and thanks to Teads, most of the world's traditional publishers have an unexploited substantial video inventory to embrace the growing demand for premium video inventory coming from branding advertisers. In less than a year, Teads became a major player in the world of online video advertising. Teads has now created a serious alternative for agencies and advertisers to deliver their 30 seconds video advertising commercials on high-qualitative websites in an environment that reaches their consumer in the most efficient way.
I will now jump on the presentation of 2 of your key formats. The InRead is a groundbreaking outstream video ad format. Teads technology guarantees completed video viewability to advertisers and help premium publishers to create add-value video ad inventory without requiring any video content. Non-intrusive and well-integrated within publisher editorial content page, providing maximized visibility to advertisers.
So rather than a click-to-play or auto-play video advertising format, InRead powered by Teads is actually a view-to-play. So the InRead format is able to compete with pre-roll thanks to this positioning and the way it plays. The advertisements, which is clearly labeled as such, runs below the fold, whatever screen or device it is viewed, where the page is actually less cluttered. Just to show you a demo of the format on the Financial Times, as the reader would scroll down, so the format would be actually integrated within the text below the fold between 2 paragraphs, actually. So it's not like a pre-roll, like a forced exposure. So as the reader scrolls down, the ad appears, stopping if the reader cannot see it, and starting again when it's come back into view again. So it means that it gets very high completion rates, guaranteeing the visibility advertisers demand, and achieving advertising rates that are in line with premium publishers' requirements and luxury advertisers' expectations. When the ad finishes, the column closes up over it so that it disappears.
Thanks to this view-to-play technology, we guarantee a maximum visibility of the video. It's only play when in view on the user screen. InRead is the most impactful and non-interruptive branding video advertising format that offers a guarantee of performance and visibility to advertisers. Since your model is based on completed view, advertiser and agency only pay for a video that has been seen entirely. A simple scroll down or up is required to pause the format, unlike pre-roll, which is a forced exposure for most users. We create also the inboard to run video takeover at scale globally. This is the inboard on La Repubblica. Inboard is the ideal branding format to maximize the reach of video advertising. We advise launching your campaign with Inboard for the few days to create a strong branding impact and then follow with InRead to optimize repetition, completion rate, and video view. The combination of this format gives advertisers exceptional visibility and strongly increase the performance of their branding campaign.
Yes, so to sum up our offer, which is Teads Elite, so it's a private marketplace for premium video at scale for advertisers. So Teads and eBuzzing merged actually 3 months ago. A very fast-growing company internationally with offices across the world. More than 100 employees on the research and development, so really like a tech companies, and more than 300 global employees. Growth is growing actually very, very fast in Europe. That's where we started, but in the US, in South America, and Asia. The goal was to solve this big issue on the video market, is that when it comes to digital video, there is a lack of premium video inventory. If you want to run your video at scale online, you got to go on YouTube, or because there's just not enough pre-roll premium video inventory. So what if the best global publishers would change the situation? And on all this, globally, we've plugged in a year and a half most of the major news, business, and women lifestyle publishers in the world coming. Really started in France, but deployed the technology and the formats in the US with the main publishers such as Forbes and Washington Post or Newsweek. In Russia with Vedomosti and Kommersant. In Japan with the Nikkei. In Brazil with the Globo. So plenty of premium news and business and female sites plugged our formats and technology to deploy our scripts. So the reach, now it's give you an idea of the reach that we have across the different markets. And that's the idea behind it is really guaranteeing full HD video viewability, 30 seconds guarantee to advertisers, and a strong exposure to the vast majority of C-level executives, business decision makers, and opinion leaders in more than 30 countries. With our InRead formats that plays right below the fold and allows advertisers to only pay when the video is seen 30 seconds, so guaranteeing full viewability on top premium publishers. And Inboard, as Romain introduced you, it's a very impactful format to launch a campaign across all these publishers. All multi-devices compatibility. We started with desktop only and now deploying all the formats on actually all devices. So very, very interesting opportunity for luxury advertisers to run their video at scale globally. Some of them have already started working with us on a global basis. So really the luxury industry has been the first to embrace this opportunity globally, but also a lot of corporate and branding advertisers that are shifting their TV commercial to digital video. So as a partner of top premium publishers, we still strongly believe that while user data is important, work at publishers, brands will continue to matter to marketers that care about quality audience and positive brand associations.
So now we can program and optimize the campaign in over 15 countries with more 100 publishers in a few clicks. Your ad server was built on CPV to optimize advertiser KPIs. We are also able to enrich any video with a sharing button, call to action, thanks to the standard VPED. The advantage of using Teads Elite, offering for your international campaign, resides in its simplicity. All we need is a video file or a redirect vast. And this applies to all your formats. They allow everyone to gain value time. Qualitative in-stream video inventory is scarce. We are the only player able to serve branding advertisers looking for global video advertising campaign at scale in top premium environment around the world.
So tomorrow, and to finalize for everyone, through Teads Automate platform, advertisers will be able to distribute their video ad campaign on the world's most prestigious websites in a few clicks, optimize their performance, and maximize the number of video views in real time across the world's most attractive audience of C-level executives, business decision makers, opinion leaders, and influentials. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much.